Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to close a loan account with Lendio. Now, closing a loan account in Lendio requires that all outstanding balances are paid and agreements are all finalized with the lender. Here's the process. First, log into your Lendio account and then navigate to the loans section. There, you're going to select the loan that you want to close. And now you got to confirm that your balance is paid in full. If not, you can request a payoff statement from your lender via the platform. Once the payment is complete, you want to look for the option to close account, or you can just contact your assigned funding manager. Submit a formal request to close the account. Some lenders may require additional confirmation documents. Wait for your lender to process the closure, and you should receive a closure confirmation letter or email. You can download and save this confirmation for your record. It may be needed for tax or credit reporting purposes. Lastly, verify that the loan no longer shows as active in your dashboard. A quick tip is to always close accounts officially. Do not assume that a zero balance means closure. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.